Do you think people are often confused about the technology and like maybe even why it's different, than sandblasting? As you mentioned before, you said that there are many different avenues, right? Many different processes.
I think that absolutely the thing that comes into mind, I think, is when people try to, as a small business owner, I'm always looking at return, my ROI. What's my return on my investment? This is one of those tools that when you purchase it, if it sits in the corner and you're not using it, number one, you're not making any money, but number two, you're not learning how the tool works. So you've got to actually want to use the tool. I think the biggest, inhibiting factor on whether or not to purchase it was whether or not we thought we could utilize it on a regular basis. I've never purchased something where I'm like, the return came that fast, where the interest was that high, where I'm getting, direct messages from people that I don't know in my Instagram feed that have saw my parts that we've done the vapor honing on, and other people's feeds. So I'm, how much is it to do this? How much is it to do that? Does that mean it's a home run right out of the gate? No, but Babe Ruth didn't hit a home run every time at bat. He had to learn his craft. And so this is one of those things where you're learning a new craft. This is new technology. This is a new way of looking at things. If we keep doing what we've always done, we're only going to get what we've always got. So we've got to look at this as, what can we do with it? And right now, a month and a half into having this machine, we're doing things that we didn't even think it would do. We're doing materials, we're vapor blasting materials that we didn't think would need to be, or that there would be any benefit to. We honestly thought when we bought this machine, we were gonna take this engine apart, we were gonna vapor blast, the engine components, we were gonna get a really neat finish out of it, and we didn't know where it would go from there. I didn't realize that people would actually call and send us parts from across the country wanting us to do this finish, because it is so unique.